What's up, guys? Yeah, no, this is such a romantic spot. Like, you can lay against, I mean, there's poo there, there's a bit of poo there, but you can lay against this, like, pillows, and it's really soft ground, like pillows. You like, in the summer, like, lay against that with the sun coming on you. It's a nice spot right here. So romantic, like the rocks, it's just Irish, traditional Irish right here. I want to get on that side, see what I mean? Mahog's Mountain in the background, we'll climb up there in a bit. Yeah, I've never even, I don't think I've been to this side of this bridge here. There's a bridge there and I'll take you to the other side, but this side's almost nicer. Lovely, isn't it, guys? Proper lovely. See, I want a girlfriend. I always like to take my girlfriends to Ireland. I've only taken one though. It's so romantic here. Share it with you lot though, eh? Yeah, it's a bit marshy, You gotta be careful, like, if there's a stone here to stand on the stone, because you might slip. You know, a stone is a firm bit of grounding, or even just like a bit of branch, see? See how I was standing on that and it's like a bridge? I did do a video at Bloody Bridge. I don't think most of you watched it. I think I only got a couple of views on that video. I will go back there at some point. But again, luscious scenery. It's by the coast. It's called Bloody Bridge. Rocks that are mountainous. You know, waves coming in, crashing. I mean, this is something out of one of my... If I was to make a romantic film, it would be here. And it rains all the time. And it's actually a really nice thing, because then when it doesn't rain, you're like, oh, what a lovely day. And it might not be that nice of a day, but if it's not raining, it's magic. And even when it rains so much, it's magic. Everything's so vibrant. I was thinking, it's got to rain more in Ireland than anywhere in the world. But that's just because there's a record that's happened the past 40 years, 140 years. It's rained more in the past month than the past 140 years. And that's because I'm rapping and I make it rain. When I'm rapping about my pain, it's in my name, like Jake, like Ache, like what's at stake, but my heart, like Darth Vader's art, like I'm Dracula, flip you like a spatula, stuff like that. Spectacular. Let's shrink. When you was younger, did you not imagine being like Tom and Jerry, like you're small like Jerry, and then, you know? It's the fairy kingdom. It's like a cat. A small cat has the most fun. So let's get down to cat level, guys. Just fresh water, because it rains so much, it's fresh. I wouldn't be able to get in here, but the gods were like, don't worry, we'll crash a tree on the fence, and then you'll be able to get over. It's got barbed wire on it and everything. Balance like a cat, balance like a cat. I rap when I tap. I don't tap when I rap. This might fall. This might fall. See ya, suckers! We will go on this side. Yeah, interesting. We always go on that side, like that's the main attraction. Well, honestly, I think it's these fields, but it's probably because it's private property. You know, farmer comes out of his shotgun. There's oi. Mattress there. Yeah, my family keep complaining about people littering. It's not that bad. Could be worse. Could be like India. See if we can get down here. Might not be able to. Yeah, I won't be able to get across this without completely getting filthy. So it looks like we can't get to this side. Unless we take a trip through these woods here and maybe there's a secret entrance. I'll have to skip this side, I think. Oh, sheep, yeah. Oh well, you saw it from the other side of the river. We'll do the other bit now. Gotta clean off the shoes in these water. The nice thing about like this river here is it's so rural. I keep saying that word and I think it's the right word to use. But ain't no one around here. This is just you and nature. You can hang out here all day and not see anyone. This isn't, do you know what I'm saying? There's no houses here. This is out in the middle of nowhere basically. It's just nature. In England it would have signs everywhere, it would be like a tourist attraction. It's not the same as just raw, how it is nature. Fucking beautiful. Try this side now. It's got my initials, JMN. There's actually two of them. MK. Apparently 25 of the past presidents of America were Irish. So Irish presidents are more common than not. 25 of them have been Irish. take a wander, see how far it goes down. Nice, man. The other side looks nice, lots of rocks there. Big old rock, man. That's a big old rock. Just keep going down here. Seems like a fun adventure. See how far it goes. Let's get down to business. Give you 119. Mystical, like Celtic. You know, what's his name? Cernunnos? I don't know how to say his name. Cernunnos. With the horns, the horn god. Celtic. I've got a statue of it, you've probably seen it. Might not go up the mountain today. I'm happy enough of this river walk. Oh, what? That is a crazy image. We have found ourselves a spot, guys. Looks nice. I think it looks nice. It's like moss. Very awesome terrain of rocks, roots, river. I love American history. Like the cowboys and Indians, their gold hunting. I love America. And I'm actually closer to America now. I'm in Ireland. It's where I want to be, guys. A bit spooky down here, fuck. Going with the fairies. I feel like excessive YouTubing and making videos has done something to my head. Like the camera always recording and talking, and it's done something strange to my head. You know? It's like uploading your brain onto some AI. Bit weird, isn't it? But I can't stop, so just go with it, I guess. keep going down. Wonder how far back this goes. Probably goes to the ocean. I might have to stop and turn around. But if it's got a decent path, then I'll keep walking. I feel like God's trying to show me something, you know? If the horned God was here, he'd be like, keep walking into the distance, into the nature, by the river. See where it goes. Until I can't go no more. Here we have it. I think we've reached the end. I'm just going to pause it. I don't want to bore you guys. I'm going to pause it and have a look down there myself. If I find somewhere nice, I'll show you. I don't want to bore you. But that's beautiful. Thanks for exploring with me, guys. Bye. Whoa. I went for a shit. I went for a shit in the woods and I washed my ass in the river. Now that's getting high, guys. Still just walking along. Still seems to be a path. Looks like it's coming to an end though. We've come to the end of the road. And now back again. Thanks for watching my adventure, guys. Happy to take you with me when I find these new places. And that's all for now. Till next time.